reason we built this facility was because we were storing product in 36 different facilities around the United States, and we just had so much product in outside cold storage, some of which was critical to our operation, that we wanted to have full control over. So we've had really good luck with Tippmann throughout the whole project. Quite often I tell people they're the best company I've ever worked with, not just in construction, but really in any kind of field that we deal with. Tippmann has been on time and on budget. They are incredibly responsive. They taught us a lot about what's possible in a freezer type building. They led us through that process to make sure that we had it designed right from the beginning, so there weren't too many change orders. Tippmann brought a lot of really great innovative ideas to the table beyond what we were asking for.